Alright, if you remember, in this website, you have registered in this website. As you can see, this is my balance here. As you can see, this is my balance here. If you have registered to this website and you cannot withdraw because of a referral, you find it difficult to refer people, but you want to withdraw all your money every day. Once your money drop after 24 hours, you withdraw your money. Now, watch this video to the end and grab this update. I will show you something you can do to withdraw your money completely without stress. As you can see my balance here, I will show you how to withdraw this money completely. You understand? So all you have to do is just to watch me while I do it. You click on withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, this is my balance here, 57,384 naira. That's my withdrawable balance right now. That's my balance right now. Now, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Let me just put 1,000. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? I cannot be able to withdraw this money unless I refer people. Now, I'm going to withdraw this money with Amazing Robot app, a bypass robot app that I've been using to cash out. You understand? So, and I have tried it and it's working. So, I want you to watch me how I will do it. Though I will not show you the app right now because of security reasons, but I'm going to do it and withdraw this money completely. I will just, because if you see here, I cannot withdraw any amount of money here. I cannot withdraw unless I refer. You understand? So now I want you to watch me and see how I'm going to do it. Alright guys, let's withdraw this money. This is my balance. This is my balance here. So I'm going to withdraw it right now. So I want you to watch me and see for yourself. And their payment is instantly. That's one thing I like about this website. They pay instantly. So guys, let's go. You click withdraw. Alright guys, see it. See it. Can you see it? I just withdraw all my money completely. Can you see it? Can you see it? I just withdraw my money completely right now. Right now. Let's see my balance is 0. Guys, get this app. Get this AI app. This AI app will do the wonderful work for you. Withdraw all your money every day. If you invested 9,600 or 4,800 and you're making your profit and your profit is dropping every 24 hours, use this app. Use this app right now. Use this app and bypass this website and withdraw your money. See, this is very many people, like some people that have 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 in this website, but they cannot withdraw just because they don't know how to refer. Now, this is the option, the best option, the best solution for it. Guys, let's jump into this thing and make money. Keep on investing, keep on withdrawing. So, hit me on the number on your screen for this app. Hit me on the number on your screen for this app. Hit me on the number on your screen for this app right now, and get it. It's very affordable, guys.